Good afternoon. Today, DD based classes. Okay. In theory of machines, converted to old machines in new technologies implementing. So recent trends, many of research going in the machine operations. Or 10 years or 20 years back or 25 years back, examples are lathe machines. That is a conventional. There is no operations. Reason that is. But right now, IoT based machines are coming in the market. So in 10 years in between, the CNC mostly utilized for the manufacturing. Okay. After is developing the research, they updating the machines and the advanced instruments installed in that machines. Today we discussed in theory of machines. We take one part of animal machines. Okay.
In the area of machines, we are going to see the concepts which are all used in the machines. As I said, before 20 years, we have used many lathe machines. What are all the concepts used in the lathe machines related to the area of machines? Majorly, the links, pairs, what and all are used, and the kinematics are the major parts of the area of machines. Now we are going to see the theory of machine concepts used in the 20 years back lathe machines, and also the latest technologies where we are using IoT in the CNC machines and DNC machines. All the machines we are using some of the IoTs and also the theory of machines concepts which is used in the machines.
Empathy.
Empathy is the what we are going to see in the previous machines. We are used some concepts. In the latest machines we are used some concepts. Now according to that, what are all the technologies we are upgraded and what are all the concepts that are upgraded for the new generation machines?
Let's finalize the problem statement as let's define it. We have the old methods are normally more complex and complex decisions can be done and other labor works are also used. Likewise, when it comes to, so that's why we have modernized to the modern technologies as we change the traditional methods. Likewise, now this is the, let's take lathe machines. Lathe machines, the major employee work is the major problem we are facing.
Because that means production losses.
Yeah.
We cannot expect the right time manufacturing, wasting the manpower losses. Employee put more struggle. They are facing the quality defects. These are the issues.
Seeing upon the ideate, comparing to the old previous lathe machines, we have now VMC, HMC, and even more fabricated machines, which includes modern technology also. But comparing to all those old technologies, evolving to the new modern, we have more number of production on this particular modern technology compared to the previous one. We have even better accuracy and more number of productions in the certain modern era compared to other conventional machines.
So English there's a saying called changes, it is the only thing which never changes. According to that, as we have seen, the evaluation of machines is a huge thing from manual to automation. If we see seeing a machine, there will be a thing called each and every components will be attached to each other. That will be composed and comprised as a machine. From those machines, it will be portrayed or displayed as an industry, right? So from there, as before 10 years, I have said that there is a thing called links, pairs, joint structures that will be portrayed in a certain things and that will be converted into a proper machine. Nowadays we are using certain things called like pairs. We are using that, including that we are adding upon certain components like sensors, actuators, likewise. So the adding upon thing makes a manual machine into a proper machine, like automatic machine. These changes will be comes under the prototyping. Which can make empathize and advanced in the certain machines.
So as a part of testing, So after 10 years, before it was a basic major starting point as a pair and links. After the 10 years, we have come across to industry 4.0, and like we are going up to 5.1, 6.1 and go on. So the pairs, like the machines which are the basic part, and it is overcome to the not current generation with the in the combination of like IoTs and all. So as it says, sensors are the merging point. So it is also merging with IoTs and the machines which are involving together from the links and pairs to the further areas.